Hello. Unfortunately, our class was cut short because of an internet outage at the Jackson County campus, and I apologize about that issue. However, I did want to catch you up on just some important assignments that are going to be upcoming this week. Please ensure that you look at our week 3 checklist, and you're going to notice I'm actually going to start at the bottom. You have an assignment due tonight, Tuesday night, which is our online discussion 1. You can probably find that listed underneath your to-do on the right-hand side of your Canvas page. However, if you don't see it on your to-do list, scroll down and look underneath week 3 under the online discussion 1 module, and there's an assignment drop box for that. Click on it, and it's going to again remind you that you want to share with your classmates and me just some healthy ways that you deal with stress. Again, this is very personal. I want you to be honest and candid about how you deal with stress so it doesn't overcome your life. Just make sure that you click post reply and submit that. And if for some reason you see an error after you've submitted that online discussion, you can go back and edit it until 11:59 tonight. So that's your first assignment to, of course, submit your online discussion 1. Also, and I'm going to be giving you more information on these assignments later, we have 2 other assignments we're going to be working on this week. The first one is going to be the APA abstract, and I am going to have a little video lecture on that I'm going to share with you later. Now, you're going to notice that the APA abstract, okay, I mentioned this some last week. I wanted you to go on to one of Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College's databases and use the instructions that are listed in the handout. I'll mention that handout in more detail on the abstract video. And you want to go into Academic Search Premier and look for an article that overviews some beneficial web apps that you think your classmates would find interesting. Now, you're going to find one article that overviews either maybe one web app that you feel would be interesting, or maybe it overviews several web apps and you want to focus in on one discussed in that article. Now, an abstract is a summary, and you were essentially going to be submitting on Thursday night, because the abstracts due Thursday, a title page, an abstract page, and then a reference page. And I'll go over that in more detail in the lecture on the APA abstract. Just make sure that you, again, find an article that deals with an educational web app. And when I say educational, it doesn't necessarily have to be academic. It could be just something beneficial to someone's personal life, their psychological or mental health, maybe just everyday scheduling. So you're educating your classmates about how this app can benefit, just overall their life and make just life easier as a whole. Now, later, and probably we're going to be doing this on Thursday because of our WebEx issue today, you are going to be placed into small groups. These are going to be based on the apps that you select. Now, you're only going to select one app that you feel that would be helpful to your classmates. You're going to share that app with your classmates, talking about its usage, how it's beneficial to someone's life, whether academically or personally. And you are going to essentially present those apps to your classmates, talking about the usage. You can show YouTube videos that show how the app is used. You also can take screenshots to show how the app is used, by you or maybe by someone else that you find online. And you're going to collectively discuss your apps together in a group in a short slideshow presentation. Now, as far as the app presentations, you're going to form groups on Thursday. However, you're going to have all of next week to work on these. So next week, which is, of course, February 2nd and February 4th, you're going to have 2 class periods to work on that, whether you work in class or outside of class as well. You're going to submit your one presentation, because essentially you're going to have a presentation, a slideshow, but each of you is going to pretty much have about 2 to 3 slides on each of your apps within that slideshow. And you're going to submit that by Monday, February 8th, and then you're going to present these as a group either Tuesday, February 9th or Thursday, February 11th. So I just wanted to give you an overview of kind of the assignments that we're going to be doing this week. However, later I am going to have more detailed videos that overview each of the assignments. And again, I apologize for our WebEx issues. And if you have questions about any of these assignments, please contact me. Thank you.